Hello children. Today we are going to read some mixed sound words from the picture box. Tell me children, which sound words? Yes, mixed sound words. Let us see what are the words in the mixed sound picture box. Are you ready? Okay, all of you listen carefully. Look at this picture, children. What can you see in this picture? Map. M-A-P. Map. M-A-P. Map. Read with me. M-A-P. Map. Can you tell me what is this? Wet. V-A-T. Wet. V-A-T. Wet. Repeat once again. V-A-T. Wet. Can you tell me what is this? Lip. L-E-P. Lip. L-E-P. Lip. Once again. L-E-P. Lip. Tell me children, what is this? Hot. H-O-T. Hot. Read with me. H-O-T. Hot. Once again. H-O-T. Hot. Can you tell me what is this? Gun. G-A-N. Gun. Repeat with me. G-A-N. Gun. Once again. G-A-N. Gun. Tell me children, what is this? Tag. T-A-G. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. Repeat with me. T-A-G. Tag. Today we have read some mixed sound words and they are M-A-P, map, V-A-T, wet, L-E-P, lip, H-O-T, hot, G-A-N, gun, T-A-G, tag.